Okay, good morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of our morning analysis session. As you all know, we're just looking for opportunities in the market, and you guys get to see my strategy, how I get my entries and exits. Yeah. So for those that be watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page, and you can always share the content. Now, fundamental wise, we have two high impact news by 1:30. That's advanced GBP, that's Q on Q, that's quarter by quarter. And then we have unemployment claims. So let's sit back and see how that's actually high impact. So we should expect a lot of volatility by then. Now, I like jumping on our charts here, I like what AUDUSD is doing currently. So at this point here, we're having series of lower low, lower high, lower low, equal high, basically. And then we more or less created a lower low here, but then now we have broken to the upside. So at this point, we have actually shifted structure to a bullish market. Yeah, let me change the color of that, right? So I've actually shifted structure to a bullish market, and that's why I love this. So right now, what we can do, a price has made an impulsive. What we can wait for is what? A retracement, then a continuation. So I'm going to plot my Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. I'll set an alert. I'll set an alert at this 0.618 level here. That's where I'd like to see price come and react. So I'll set an alert there. Let's see how it's going to play out. Can't wait for price to get to this point. Is my trading view still subscribed? Then let's check NZD-USD. NZD-USD is the same thing. So first, let me look at the 4H. What's the 4H looking like? Hey, the 4H is actually looking bearish. That's the problem with this one. If you actually look at the 4H, the 4H has been creating we've been creating lower low, lower high, lower low, and then now actually it's looking like price is going up to create a lower high. So in this case here, when it comes to NZD-USD, what we're going to do here, we're going to sit out for now. You understand? We're going to sit out for now because price might just push up, push up and then just react from somewhere here and then come and break to the downside. So to avoid something like that, we know that, okay, price has created an impulsive move to the upside. So let's wait for price to come down, create that more or less that it has created a higher high, it should create a higher low. Then on the next higher high, that's when we'll start buying. So once it creates the next higher high, then we'll start looking for those buys. At that time, it will already start showing on the 4H. So there will be no confusion. So to be on the safer side, that's what we're going to be looking for. But if you don't care about being on the safer side, plot our Fibonacci from the beginning to the end. Yeah. And then we have our 0.618 area. Let me set an alert there. Hopefully trading view will allow me. Yep, it did. So this is basically what we're going to be watching out for. Yeah, we have price creating impulsive moves. We wait for price to retrace, come to our 0.6 area, and then we take buys from there to the upside. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Or what questions do you guys have?
Can you please take a look at GBP USD?
Okay.
GU.
GBP USD is still inside this range. It's still inside the range. If you look at it here, let's go to the 4H, see something. So see the top of the range here. See the bottom of the range here. So currently price is still in between, and honestly, anytime price is ranging, I don't like trade. In short, I don't need to trade it. I used to leave it entirely. If you go to the 1H2, it's the same thing, it's still ranging. Price just tapped into that high there, pushed down, and then it went back up again. So I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to leave it alone. Any other pair you guys want us to take a look at? Or what questions do you guys have?
On the chart like that, can't we just go for a sale?
No,
Since it's a
no.
engulfing.
That's not how it works. We are not just jumping on sales.
Okay. That's all for now for me.
Okay. Um, any other pair you guys want us to take a look at? Or what any questions you what questions do you guys have before we go? If there are no questions, then we'll just call it a session. So for now, we're just waiting for price to retrace. On AUDUSD, we're waiting for price to retrace, get into our Fibonacci areas. Then we'll look to take buys from there. So that's basically what we'll be watching out for. Yeah, for price to retrace, come down to these Fibonacci areas, and then we'll buy from there to the upside. So that's what we're going to be looking out for today. Yeah, so that being said, I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Thank